Hey y'all, this may be you guys' last chance to get the Apple credit card, especially if your credit score is under a 660. Now, a lot of people want to get the Apple credit cards. A lot of people still trying to apply for the Apple credit card also, but it may be hard for you guys if your credit score is not increasing above that 660 credit score, and possibly too, you may be required to have, over a 720 credit score to get it. So if you want to get the Apple credit card, definitely listen up because this time may be your only chance to really apply for the Apple credit card. And then you're going to see these changes possibly to other credit card companies that's out there. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I always talk about real estate, I talk about credit, and I always talk about credit cards. And I always tell you guys about other credit cards, that I think you guys can possibly get approved for. And I have a whole blog talking about these different credit cards. Now, this credit card came to my attention because Apple is basically saying that 28% of the people that have credit cards with them have a credit score under 660, which is subprime, and those people are not paying right now. They're starting to see chargeback, charge offs, just like Capital One, but Capital One been around for a while, so they kind of know how to there is more than Capital One, but Capital One been around for a while, so they know how to maneuver this, and they didn't expect to have anything like this happen. Now, I'm thinking that since they see that 28% of the people that they're lending to right now is subprime, their credit score is under 660, for them to try to recoup their money because they want to go up, I'm thinking that they're going to stop allowing people to, if with their credit score under a 720, they may have higher credit score requirements. So they may not be approving people who have a credit score under a 720. So I want you guys, if your credit score is still under the 660 and you want to get the credit card, I want you guys to look into really getting that Apple credit card. Now, don't forget, I told you guys I have a blog on this credit card, and I want to make sure I share my screen for you all so that you can see the blog that I'm talking to you guys about. And let's go over the Apple credit card. Now, I told you all, you're going to see this happen with a lot of the credit card companies that's out there. It's a lot of people that's unable to pay their mortgage. They're going to be filing bankruptcy. All the stuff that happened back from 2020 with the houses, the prices of housing going up as much as it did, all of that stuff is going to start crumbling down. It's already crumbling now in terms of the pricing of houses and the number of people that's trying to get a house. And interest rates are out of control right now. So we're going to start seeing a lot of things happen in the credit card industry in terms of people actually getting credit cards. I already see nobody really getting houses like they were before in a real estate. We already know that, right? Now we're going to see that same thing with credit cards because they're going to make it so hard for you guys to get these credit cards because they want to make sure they cover their butt. They only want to extend credit to those people that they know can pay. Now, they was okay with extending credit to at first until they see that a lot of people are defaulting right now. But hopefully you guys will be able to get the credit that you need. Now, here's my website right here. So what I want to do is I want to search. So at the top right, you can see that little search button. You can put the name of the credit card that you want. So I'm going to put the Apple card in here. I'm just going to put Apple in there because I don't know what it's under. So yep, here is the Apple card right here. So you can go ahead and click on it. So the video, I already have the video, but it's just not available out for the Apple credit card right now. But you can definitely check it later on. Hopefully it'll be available. They probably will be available for you guys early October. You'll see all of the different videos only on my blog. You won't see it on YouTube. You won't be able to find it, but you'll only see it on my blog. So definitely come back. Now, I have a few things about the Apple credit card. It's no annual fee. You got unlimited cash back. You can pre-qualify for the Apple credit card without a hard inquiry. So yes, that's another thing. People were pre-qualifying for this credit card without a hard inquiry, and then they was doing something called the Apple trick. And with the Apple trick, what they did was they applied for the credit card. They wait till they got an offer saying, hey, you're actually pre-approved for $10,000. As soon as they seen that offer, they went and froze their TransUnion credit report, and then they clicked accept on the application, and then they was able to get that credit card without a full hard inquiry. Now that can be a reason too why that could be a reason why we're where we're at with the terms of the 28% is subprime. That could be it. But I never really talked too much about the Apple trick. I don't know exactly how many people actually got it, but that could be a reason why. And certain things like that is probably not going to happen anymore for you all, where you'll be able to get that. Now, this is my blog that you guys are looking at. Let's go ahead and click apply now so we can go to the Apple website. So this is the actual Apple website. You guys can get up to 3% unlimited cash back on every purchase. That is really good. And for those people that want to get cash back, try to see if you guys can get approved for some of the credit cards that offer a lot of cash back. And I believe I have a list of those credit cards on my website. Definitely check that out. Um, the credit cards that offer cash back, because maybe that can help you a little bit with this inflation. So maybe that help you guys a little bit with the inflation, but just make sure you're paying your bill in full, because it don't matter how much cash back you think you're getting. If you're paying interest on your credit cards, especially right now, you're not getting that much cash back. But I make sure that you guys are really paying off your bills, because if you're not getting that much cash back. But hopefully you guys are looking at the Apple website and all the things that they do have to offer. Now, when you guys want to pre-qualify, you want to go ahead and click on apply now. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to edit that out. Oh, they want me to apply since I'm already on my phone. They want me to apply right right through my phone. But usually when you guys get if they ask you if you want to apply, if you're on just a regular website, you won't see this right here be different. You guys can go ahead and apply. Now I'm going to make sure that you guys have the link for my blog down below. I know the video in that blog is not supposed to be out right now, but I want you guys to get a sneak peek on it, because like I said too, you guys may not have the option to apply for the Apple credit card if your credit score is under that 720 mark. And if you guys are not able to apply for that credit card, you're going to miss out on so much. So definitely check that out. And I did see some people saying that some of their accounts have been closing. Definitely come back. Let me know exactly what's going on, because think about it. When you have accounts on your credit reports closed, especially if they have a balance, that's going to hurt your credit score. And some people are, they need their credit to be good for if they're trying to refinance their house. If they're trying to get more credit, they need a personal loan, they have an emergency. If their credit score go down, they cannot get these different things. So I know that they're saying that what I'm hearing is that this may last into 2025. That's when we're going to see ourselves going back up. But we have a sharp drop to take first before we can start going back up. 2025 is it's some time away. So I want to make sure I come and tell you guys about what I have found. If you guys found any changes, please let me know down in the comments, because just imagine if some of your credit cards start closing and you didn't even know that that was happening. Your credit score is going to drop so much. So definitely let us know any changes that you guys are seeing, and hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.